Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Osage Beach. I'm standing in front of a Harris 250 Sunliner 2023. This one is equipped with the black sapphire fence panels with the black edition powder coated fence and the bimini. Let's go around back here. This one is powered with the Mercury 300 horsepower. Interior colors, it has the French gray. Climb on board this ladder. We equip this with the 3.5 package, which increases the diameter of the tubes from 27 inch to from 25 inch to 27 inch with a 63-gallon fuel tank. You can see this one is the single lounger dual helm configuration. Nice rear-facing seats, equipped with the safety chain, which includes fender holders. Underneath this back seat is pass-through storage, and then on the port side over there is a insulated cooler area. You can see we have a audio remote here for when you're coving out, and then a battery charger connect for an extension cord. It's transom speakers, nice feature. This one is equipped with dual battery with the dual battery selector switch. JL audio with the upgraded 9-inch SIMRAD screen. Can hold 15 people is what this boat is rated for. You have in-floor ski locker storage. You can see right here the upgraded sub with the sound system. JL makes a great rockin' sound system. Plenty of music and noise to get you and your friends out having a good time coving out. Again, this is a 250 Sunliner, Harris 2023. For more questions, you can call us at 573-606-3022. We look forward to getting you out on the water. Thank you.